Welcome to all of you in our course Entrepreneurship Development and Business Communication. Today we will see SWOT analysis. SWOT. SWOT is an acronym for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in an organization. SWOT analysis. In that, SWOT analysis is a quality assessment of industrial business and any profit and the non-profit organization. The SWOT analysis framework is a very important and useful tool to use in marketing management and other business application. As a basic tool, its mastery is a fundamental requirement for the marketer, entrepreneur, or a business person. A clear understanding of SWOT is required for the business measures. So, what is a SWOT analysis? A scan of the internal and the external environment is an important part of the strategic planning process. Environmental factors internal to the firm usually can be classified as strength or weaknesses, and those external to the firm can be classified as the opportunities and threats. Means these attributes of an organization are internal and external. Internal attributes helps in attaining the objectives of an organization are the strength and the opportunities, and harmful in attaining the objectives of an organization are the weaknesses and the threats. Such an analysis of the strategic environment is referred to as a SWOT analysis. The SWOT matrix. We will see the attributes of organizations helpful, which are written in the first column, strength and opportunities, and which are the harmful is written in the second column, weaknesses and the threats. SWOT analysis provides information that is helpful in matching the firm's resources and the capabilities to the competitive environment in which it operates. As such, it is instrumental in strategy, formulation, and the selection. The following diagram shows how a SWOT analysis fits into an environmental scan. This is a framework, SWOT analysis framework, environmental scan. In that, two parts, internal and the external. Those attributes which are internal, strength and weaknesses, and external, opportunities and the threats. Okay, we will see about the threats. A firm's strength are its resources and the capabilities that can be used for developing a competitive advantage. Example of such strengths include, means strength is a positive internal factor that contribute to the accomplishing the mission, goals and the objectives. Some of the strength of an organizations are patents, strong brand names, good reputation among the customers, cost advantages from proprietary know-how, exclusive access to the natural resources, good access to the distribution networks, motivated staff, low cost. These are the companies or organizations' strength. Second one is the weaknesses. Weaknesses are the negative internal factor that inhibit the accomplishment of the mission, goal and objectives of the organization. The absence of certain strength are a weaknesses. For example, the following may be considered as a weaknesses. Which are the weaknesses? Lack of patent protection, low cost of motivation of staff, weak brand name, poor reputation among the customers, Then high cost structure, lack of access to the best natural resources, lack of access to the key distribution channels, scarcity of capital, inadequate infrastructure, inefficient management. These are the weaknesses of an organization. In some cases, a weakness may be the flip side of a strength. For example, a firm has a large amount of manufacturing capacity. While this capacity may be considered a strength that competitors do not share, it also may be considered as a weakness if the large investment in manufacturing capacity prevent the firm from reacting quickly to changes in the strategic environment. This is the next one is the opportunities. It is a positive external factors the organization can employ to accomplish its mission, goals, and the objective. Opportunity is the advantage to the organization to grow and achieve its specific objectives in a given situation. The external environment analysis may reveal certain new opportunities for profit and the growth. Some example of such opportunities includes an unfulfilled customers' need, arrival of new technology, loosening of the regulations, removal of internal trade barriers, then good location, increase in disposable income, availability of appropriate technology, favorable government policies, presence of the favorable cultural environment. These are the examples of the opportunities. Then next factors in the SWOT analysis is the threats. Threat is a negative external factor that inhibit the organization's ability to accomplish its mission, goals, and the objective. Threats are an external situation that blocks the abilities of the organizations to grow. Changes in the external environment also may present the threats to the firm. Some example of such threats: shifts in customer taste away from the firm's product or emergence of the substitute product, new regulation, increased trade barriers. These are the threats. In threats, it may also include the tough competition or the product rejected by the market, then shortage of the water, power, fuel, or the natural resources, then shifting the customer taste and preferences, then adversely changing government policies. This also affect on the organization. And the SWOT analysis is important for understanding the management problems at all stages, irrespective of the type of organization. The concept is helpful in taking the appropriate decision for the development of an organization in a particular operational environment. SWOT analysis has expanded its application in agriculture and also in an allied sector. A firm should not necessarily pursue the more lucrative opportunities or the overextending. Rather, it may have a better chance at developing a competitive advantage by identifying a fit between the firm's strength and the upcoming opportunities. In some cases, the firm can overcome a weakness in order to prepare itself to pursue a compelling opportunities. In that, all these factors of the SWOT analysis, in that they calculate the loss of identity, strength, and the reputation of an organization can be a big threat. There may be a risk of losing the experienced staff is a threat. In the management sciences, SWOT analysis is important for understanding the management problems, and this SWOT analysis is important for the growth of that organization or that firm. And SWOT analysis is a scientific methodology to assess the status of an organization in respect of sustaining and succeeding. And SWOT analysis gives idea about the strong and the weak points of the organization. The most important advantage of this methodology is It gives forewarning for any likely danger to the organization. Not only that this methodology could be applied to the organization, but it could equally useful for the any enterprise or the program. This is all about the SWOT analysis. Thank you.